I know. This looks super creepy, but hear me out. So this is the doll that I have used for trying out different painting techniques. I've used her for experimenting, opening her eyes, just a bunch of different things while I was learning what I was doing with silicone dolls. So she's been through a lot. So now I have this goal to, little by little, with lots of love, restore her and bring her back to hopefully full health. So here I am kind of trying to fill up these eyes with some liquid silicone that is going to cure to be the same texture as she is. So I'm trying to level it to where I can hopefully make it seem a little bit natural, like her eyes are actually shut. So here's what I'm doing right now, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to repair this lip. I'm using Silpoxy to put these lips back together, and then after that I'm going to coat it with Psycho Paint to kind of hopefully get rid of the lines where it was broken right here and up the top. So right now I am cleaning her with some alcohol wipes, and I'm trying to see how much of this paint might come off. Nothing much is coming off. So next I decided to put a little bit more silicone on her eyes to hopefully level it out a little bit more. I know she might not be perfect when I'm done, but I have a feeling she can still be someone's baby and be worthy of being adopted. So that's what I'm going for. Next, with some Psycho Paint and some color, I'm coming in and trying to level out the skin tones, because like I said, we practiced so much on her that she has so many different skin tones. So here I am kind of patting that, and at the end of my first day, this is what she looks like right now.